welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're talking about our game against House of Oak, which have been postponed. I will also talk about the injury updates on some of our players. We have Ashantigold returning, we have Samuel Watson returning, and we also Mohammed Sheriff returning from illness. We'll be talking about that too. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now. Thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers. It's been amazing since the beginning of this year. The views is going up and subscribers are obviously going up. So thank you guys for subscribing. And if you're watching this, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. Now, first of all, the House of Oak versus Kotoko game was supposed to be played this month end, 30th of this month, but the GFA has announced that it has been scheduled for 20th of February. 20th of February. I don't know why they keep changing the date, because me, I would prefer we play House of Oak this weekend. I would have preferred we play House of Oak this weekend. I want to see them cry. But the GFA said that the game has been scheduled for 20th of February. We have to wait till then to see House of Oak fans cry. So I think we have to wait. I think so. Then as for the injury returnees, and Ashantigold, the star boy who lit up the Ghana Premier League in the first few weeks of resumption, he's back from injury. He trained full training. He trained with the team. Also Samuel Watson, who has been a sensational striker since he signed for the club, also trained. Mohammed Sheriff came back from illness. He's now on the team and they are training and they are preparing very well for the Ashantigold game. I think the only disappointing news is that Richmond Lamptey won't be playing in the Ashanti Derby. He won't be playing against Ashantigold because of yellow card accumulation. I don't know why the rule says 3 yellow cards suspension. It should be 5. 3 yellow cards is very easy to get, considering the fact that the Ghana Premier League is very physical and people will get yellow cards, and our officiating tool is poor. People will get yellow cards easily, and 3 yellow cards, I think it should be revised. It should be 5 yellow cards at least, because I don't know, players get suspended every time. And I'm telling you that the way it's going, it could be that the game against House of Oak that is coming up on the 20th of February, I'm sure you'll see that one player will get suspended for that game because of accumulated yellow cards again. So I hope they go back to revise this rule, because it doesn't make sense. It should be 5 yellow cards, not 3 yellow cards. So that's it. The Kotoko game, House of Oak, 20th of February, and Ashantigold, Mohammed Sheriff, and Samuel Watson will be training, and will be, I don't know if they'll be available for the Ashantigold. I hope they are, but I don't know if they'll be available. So I would like to know your thoughts on the entire situation, because I feel the GFA keep on shifting the dates. I don't know if they are looking for a favorable date for House of Oak, maybe when they are informed or something like that, because House of Oak, they have been dodging this fixture. They could have played that game when they had the CAF Confederation Cup when they came back, but the GFA allowed them to have their preseason in Algeria before coming back. But anyways, if you like, let them shift it to December to November. We'll be here. We'll play House of Oak. We'll play them in the Ghana Premier League, and we are going to beat them. I know we haven't beaten them since I think our last 2 games. We haven't beaten them. Draw and lose. We drew. Yes, then we lost. So I think this is time to make things right, to show them that we have been winning. We'll continue winning. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, that's a quick update I came to give you guys. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. My name is Clinton Little, as usual. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.